Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Erin Olmstead. In today's video, I want to do another James Charles makeup tutorial with the James Charles palette. I want to definitely play with more color today. I'm thinking like a sunset eye. If I'm being totally honest, I went through his Instagram and I looked for inspiring looks and I found one that is like kind of good and fresh. Basically what I'm trying to say is I'm unoriginal and don't know what else to film. So let's just get into today's video. So this is my third time trying to film today with a James Charles palette. What normally happens when I film a video is I have an idea that I've had for about a week now, you know, because after I film a video, then I start thinking of new things to post. I've had one video idea in my head for about a week, and so now I actually get the opportunity to film it, and I sit down to film it, and it's the Rainbow Eye, and I complete the whole entire video, say goodbye, peace, all that shit, and the look looks awful. Like, it's so bad. So I was trying to recreate the Rainbow Eye that's like really going viral with this palette. Obviously it's a rainbow palette, so I tried to recreate that. It looked like shit. Then I tried to recreate on his Instagram, he has like this purple eye look, and it's like all purple, and he uses like glitters, and it's beautiful, and I tried to recreate that. Now this is my third time, and I'm trying to recreate a sunset eye. So you know what, we're just gonna try it out. We're gonna try to live our best life, and we'll see how it goes. Let's first start off with a base. Probably should take all the brushes I need. I start off using canvas all over the lid. I think I'm getting sick because I don't know why, like everyone else is like getting sick, and like my volleyball team, like almost everyone's sick, and I'm like, okay, now I'm gonna go in with Code James. Same brush. I'm using the M505 brush, and I'm gonna put this on the outer corner into the crease. So this past week has been stressful as hell. I've literally never been more stressed. Like, I don't know what it was, but like this past week we just got so much fucking homework, and I was like, you know what? Like, I'm in 11th grade, right? Which supposedly is the hardest year. And they're not lying. It is pretty hard. And am I freaking out a little bit? Yes. College also, like, from a year to now, like, I could be knowing where I'm going to college. Like, that's freaking nerve-wracking that I have to, you know, choose where I want to go and apply and, like, get letter of recommendations and, like, you know, like, people have to like me, and oh, it's just so stressful. I don't like it. Do I want to get out of high school? Yes, I want to graduate. So I just gotta keep, you know, going through, living my best life, and yeah. Next, I'm gonna go in with some color. I think I'm gonna go in with Rusted. It's the shade right up here, Rusted. I'm gonna take the M433 brush because it goes like perfectly into your crease. I'm just gonna put this in the crease and in the outer corner as well. I think I'm getting sick. Like, it's not good and fresh. So if you guys are wondering, like, what's my plan with like uploading and all that shit? Well, my plan was to really play around with this palette and do drives with me until Christmas, because Christmas is like less than 20 days away, and I asked for a lot of makeup, a lot of eyeshadow palettes for Christmas. So we pray I get those. If I don't, I'm kind of screwed. But I sought my mom, like, orders everything. Like, she doesn't go to the store and buy it. Like, she orders everything. So when she's buying Christmas presents, it all comes to my house in packages. And on the package, I saw 2 Sephora boxes and 1 Ulta box. We all know what that means, sis. We all know what that means. I'm really excited for Christmas. And like, I was home alone yesterday, and I was tempted to open up the box, but I didn't, because I am a perfect child and I do no wrong. YouTube is always on my mind. Like, I don't want you guys to think that like I'm gonna stop YouTube because I got schoolwork and all that stuff. Like, I think a lot of people do that. Like, they stop filming and everything because school's getting stressed. Well, I just film on the weekends and then I post. And like I know some people who are doing like Vlogmas, you know, and they're really killing it. And I'm like, you know, I can't do that right now because I don't have the equipment to do that right now. But once I do, and once I can, you know, film and really like do great in my life, I will definitely do Vlogmas and like other like things that can just bring more to my channel is what I want to do. Because right now my channel is very vanilla. It's very like, well, you do makeup tutorials, you do drives with me, and like that's it. And I want to do more for my channel, you know, and I want to reach a goal for next year. My goal is to have at least 100 subscribers. I've been doing YouTube for over a year now, and I'm happy with where I'm at, but you know, it's something that's in my future for sure. I want YouTube to be in my future. I want to go to college for film and social media, so that's my goal. That's like what I want to do, and then I feel like YouTube just fits into that kind of like perfectly. Obviously I didn't start YouTube because I was thinking, well, I'm gonna go to college for film and then maybe I'll get like into like, I wasn't thinking of that. I just started YouTube to start YouTube. Like that's why I started YouTube. I also love creating videos and I love filming videos and I love, you know, it's like it's my thing, you know. And a lot of people share the same thing for me, and that's really what I want, so it's exciting. The shade right here, so good, you know. Let's see, I got up in the morning, went to go get breakfast in town, then came back here, ate the breakfast, then I sat down, then I did laundry, cleaned up my room, whatever, then I sat down to film the first video, the rainbow eye. Failed that. Then I was like, you know what? Right after that, I went to his Instagram and I was like, I need some inspiration. So then I found the purple eye. Did that. Didn't work well. And then my eyes started to hurt because I was like wiping off eyeshadow, putting on eyeshadow, fixing my foundation, all this stuff. And I was like, you know what? Let me eat some ramen. So then I went and I ate some ramen. And now we're here. So I'm fed. I feel great. Really living my best life. Okay, so that it's like my spotlight eye sunset on the top. Let's do the lower lash line. For the lower lash line, I'm just gonna go in with Signal. I can't pronounce it, so don't make fun of me for it because I can't pronounce Signal. Like, I'm Signal. Single. Yeah, there we go. Okay. And in the picture, he had this really close to his lower lash line, but not so close that you couldn't see it. Oh, we kind of love that. I'm gonna layer it. So I don't want this just be another like, I don't want to have another warm toned eye. I want you to see the purple I'm putting down. Oh, she pretty. Oh, whatever. The eye's done. I don't know if I want to like curate. I don't know if I want to put liner on it. Like, do I just, maybe I'll just do mascara. I'm gonna do mascara and then I'll be right back. Also, my lips are really chapped, so I'm just gonna add some Carmex. I freaking love Carmex. Like, I feel like it almost makes my lips more chapped. So yeah, this is the finished look. And I really like it. I really like how it turned out. Like, if you guys did enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.